Hello student, welcome to online tutorial session. In this today's sessions, again I will do one more lab activity from chapter number 4, that is more about MS Excels. Okay, so today I will prepare a chart, that is a column chart. Okay, previous lecture session I have explained that how you can do the line chart, and this time we will prepare a chart on the column chart. Okay, so they have given some data to us, that is a monthly expenses they have given, and month values in January, the expensive in percentage they have given. Okay, January to May they have given some percentage to us, and according to that we have to depict the column chart. Okay, so let's start with it. So first I am writing the month over here, the heading part. Okay, from here, because I have to give a heading also, monthly expenses, that's why first row I am not using. Okay, from the starting from the second row, expenses will be not fitted in the cells, that's why I've changed the cell width. Okay, expenses they have given us in the percentage value, so we will consider it in the percentage part. Okay, now this two cell I have selected, and I will do the margin setting option, margin center. Okay, initially let's first put the value, then I will do the okay, January. After January, the monthly expenses is 17%. Next is February. The expenses is 18. Next is March. The expenses is 30. Next is April. Expenses is 26. And next is May, and the expenses is 9. Okay, so this is done. Now let's merge this two field first. So go under home, we will do margin center, and we will write it down directly, that is monthly expenses. Okay, oh, I need to copy it. You have to write down, because okay, written, and here I have written is that is not required. Okay, monthly expenses is done, and we have to depict it through the column chart. So you know the procedure is that whichever is a data series is there, you have to select the data series first, then under the we have to go to the insert tab, and under the insert tab we have to find out the option called chart. So as soon as you click on chart, there are several options are there. So here in the question they have written that we have to make a column chart through this. So I am preparing a column chart over here. So there are 3 different options of a column chart is available. Okay, so whichever you want to display you can select. Let's see, I want this type of chart. Okay, as I want this type of chart, I'm keep the chart over here. Okay, if I can, you can show it over here, you can see this one. Okay, So month of January sale you are able to see, month of February sale, month of March sale, month of April sale, and May sale. Okay, so you can click on the chart title and you can delete it. Okay, if you can delete, then whole will be deleted. Suppose you have made in mistakes, and that there is a undo option is there. If you can come with the undo option, automatically again it will be back to your main skins, so don't need to worry about it. Okay, so this is done. So another table is there, we can show it to you depending upon the different data. Okay, so this is part of this one. Another assignments is there. There is a short order they have given. Okay, so let's check for this one. I am deleting this one. Okay, and as well as over here I am changing for the new one. It is written period summer camp. The summer camp at school, the head boy is created a worksheet with the number of t-shirts that are required to be brought in different sites. So we have to create a worksheet similar or follows that we have to name of the camping, number of t-shirts, and different sizes. Okay, so I have given this name instead of month. Say suppose I will give the value as size, and here in case of expenses, let's see this, I have given a number. Okay, now instead of January, quickly, that is small, size is small. Okay, number is 16, so I'm erasing and making the number 16. Next one is February is there. Instead of erasing February and make it medium. Okay, now the value is 9. Now this is large. Okay, the value is 19. And next one is X large, XL, or you can say it, and the value is 10. I have written 10 over here also. That 10 I'm erasing. So my data part is already, you're able to see my data part is done. Now it's time for the making the table part. So I have selected my table. Okay, as you can see, I have selected my table. So what you have to do, that I have to choose from the style part. Okay, then go to the insert tab. There is a chart option is there. This time I will show you the pie chart part. Okay, as this chart is not fully visible. Okay, so let's try with another chart. Okay, I don't know what is wrong with this. Let's start with another chart, that is pie chart. I have shown already. Okay, bar chart I have given with a bar chart also. So in this way you can prepare the pie chart also and the column chart also. I hope it is clear. Thank you student. I'm ending my lecture over here.